Business is booming at the Christmas market in Kingston in Surrey. And with an eye on COVID rates in Europe, there's a sense that people are making the most of the festive traditions whilst they can. Operations manager Jack Botting says the memory of cancelling last year's event just before opening is still vivid.
What we've seen is people are very happy to have the market back in town. We've been here for a few years now. We have a lot of regular faces show up, so they're all very pleased to come back. And I think so far it's looked fairly busy, and I think we're looking at people trying to fit in a double Christmas.
The Hughes family are getting together to visit their son Edison, who's at university.
Last year we couldn't do anything, we had a really small Christmas, so you feel like you've missed a year.
The Dutch pancakes and German beers are as popular as ever, selling well here, if not in parts of Europe under new restrictions. But there's little appetite for some of the stricter measures which are going to be imposed across the Channel to reduce infection rates.
I think maybe more vaccine passports, but not making it mandatory to jab people.
I understand that it can help protect the elderly and the vulnerable, but again, I don't think people should be forced into doing something.
Forcing people to get vaccinated has brought demonstrations on the streets of Austria. A nationwide lockdown has been announced and, controversially, vaccines will be mandatory from February. It's a worrying slide backwards, but one of the government's scientific advisors in the UK is optimistic that may not be Britain's fate.
We're in a slightly different position to Austria and to Germany and so on. And that we've had high rates, fairly stable but very high rates for many months. And so I don't think things will happen quite in the same way here as they have done there, but it is a warning to us.
Not enough people are being jabbed in Austria, and its geographical location close to other countries with low take-up is part of its problem.
Austria has many immigrants. There's a lot of exchange in labor between Slovakia, Czech Republic, and we have to solve this together. Otherwise, it will not work for these small countries in Central Europe.
Record infections in the Netherlands have also led to demonstrations against new restrictions. In Germany, it's also starting to look not a lot like Christmas, with authorities cancelling events amidst new COVID measures. In the UK, for now, the government is insisting there are no plans to curb the countdown to Christmas. Lisa Holland, Sky News.